Hey everybody, Matt here from Natech Plastics. I'm the process engineer. Today we're going to talk about a issue that we had with a new product and the design and processing issue that came along with it. So the application is a container for the client that holds their device. And so this container is two parts, the top and a bottom, both of which are overmolded. The overmold has the substrate has a very heavily ribbed area, which is overmolded, and the heavily ribbed area the purpose is to maintain uniform wall and keep the geometry that they need for the intended function. So we noticed with the heavy ribbing that we were getting some bubbling in the overmold when we began our processing of the tool. So this bubbling led us to an aesthetic defect on a visual surface for the part that was concerning. We had some discussions with the client back and forth about what could be causing it, and the client went ahead and made a design change that they felt would help eliminate the bubbling. So the tooling team made the change, we got the tool back in the press, and upon processing this change, we noticed that the bubbling was still there. So with the design, there were some horizontal and vertical ribs that came together at intersections and created pockets in the substrate. This led us, me and the team here, we had a discussion and determined that the pockets could be what's causing the issues. Either we're getting air traps or the flow in that area was creating these issues. So to test that out quickly, we took some substrates and we were able to actually manually remove the horizontal ribs, leaving just the vertical ribs to allow the flow to push the gas along, any gas that may have been in there, and vent out through the parting line. So we got some nippers and we cut the the horizontal ribs out. And then we took those substrates to the press and we molded them. After molding, we realized that the bubbles were actually gone, and we realized what was causing that bubbling was those pockets. Yeah, so the big benefit to that is the ability to quickly iterate on a hunch and something that you think will work, but not really know if it will. So with this, we're able to quickly cut some parts out, get them in the press, and try it and see, okay, does that help or does it not, before the client has to go and spend money to make a modification, and then, oh, it doesn't work. So we're able to kind of quickly test that and prove to them that, hey, this is the solution, and this will work. And this helps them get to the finish line faster. They're able to get to their end product and get out on the market quicker. Thanks for tuning in today, everybody. Again, I'm Matt. See you next time.